Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to directly download a video from your YouTube account to a USB flash drive using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to a USB flash drive, which can have a capacity of 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, all the way up to 1 terabyte. In this tutorial, we are not focused on the capacity, but the video itself that we will save directly to the USB flash drive. We also need to have access to a YouTube account that contains a couple of videos. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go all the way around to the dock. Go to the web browser, which is Safari in this case. Now let's go to YouTube Studio and make sure that you are signed into the account. Let's now go to the left hand side navigation menu, go to Content. And before we do anything, let's now minimize Safari for the moment. Now let's insert the USB flash drive into the Mac computer. Let's just wait for that to pop up on screen. There we have it, USB. Double click on this, open up, increase the size of the Finder window. Let's now change view to icons. Let's now minimize Finder for the moment. Now let's go all the way down to the dock. Go to the web browser, Safari. Let's now navigate to a video that was uploaded to the YouTube channel yesterday. We can go to details or click on options and download, and now we will receive a prompt on screen that will tell us where we would like the downloaded video to go. So let's choose downloads and now click USB. Click on save. And the reason why I've had it set up like this is because usually the main folder to acquire all the downloads was in fact the downloads folder. But for the purpose of this tutorial, as we are adding a USB flash drive, we want it directly saved in there. So let's now quit QuickTime Player, minimize Safari for the moment, go all the way down to the dock again, go back to Finder, and there we have it. The video itself has now been saved into the USB flash drive. Let's now quit Finder. Let's right click and eject the USB flash drive. Remove the USB, and so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.